she was gone. Somehow she never buckles under all the demands. I had to know her secret. I had to understand. Well, I thought it might be coffee, but that gives her the shakes. It might be soap operas, but she says they're too fake. It's not the car she drives, what she puts in her hair. I realized it's got to be something that she wears. Yoga pants. She wears them all day. Yoga pants. At work and at play. Yoga pants. What's all the fuss? What makes them so special that they keep them from us? Well, any normal person would leave it alone, but I'm not a normal person and nobody was home. My wife was out of town and the kids were outside. I went into the bedroom and decided I would try her yoga pants. So stretchy and thin, yoga pants. Feels like my own skin. Yoga pants. Oh, where you been all my life? I've never done yoga, but these make me want to try. So soft and so sleek, yoga pants. Feels good on my cheeks. I'll just say thanks. I don't wear yoga pants. I wear Spanx.